Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a recovery USB before you start. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once ready, plug in AC power and sign into the admin account. Open Start, type Settings, then go to Accounts and sign in Options. You'll see Password, PIN, and Windows Hello entries. Focus on Password first. Make sure you understand whether you're using a Microsoft account versus a local account. This changes the next steps because Microsoft credentials are stored online. If your HP laptop uses a Microsoft account, switch to a local account. Settings right arrow accounts, right arrow your info, right arrow sign in with a local account instead. Enter the current Microsoft password to confirm. For a local account, open NetBlue. Press Win+R, type NetBlue, hit Enter. Uncheck users must enter a username and password to use this computer, click Apply, then supply the current password one last time. This disables the sign and password, so Windows will log you in automatically on boot. Once done, restart the laptop and verify you're logged in without a password. If you still see a lock screen, check Sign in Options again and make sure NetBlue change is saved. If you can't sign in at all, boot from the recovery USB and use Reset this PC or System Restore to regain access. This may remove apps but can preserve files. Make sure to reintroduce a PIN or Windows Hello for faster, safer access. Blank passwords reduce security significantly, so avoid long-term use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.